Hi, it's Alan Berg, and I wanted to tell you about a special workshop that I'm doing on June 17th. That's right, the NACE presentation is on June 16th, the webinar, but I'm going to do a longer, about a 3-hour workshop on converting leads. That's right, a lead conversion workshop. See, you get these leads in, some of them coming in now, some of them you've already gotten, and a lot of them are going quiet, getting ghosted, as they say. And I'm going to show you how to turn those leads into more active conversations. Those active conversations then turn into sales. But we're limiting this to a very small group. So sign up today, be one of 10 people to come to this lead conversion workshop on June 17th. I look forward to seeing you there.